So the big use of the AI in the asset management is the biggest part's the risk component that you guys have really developed. But in terms of the other portions, is there a lot of progress being made? I guess I'm just trying to understand all the different components.
So I guess you're asking is there applications for AI in constructability and in some of the
Yeah, I'm
other?
just curious because a lot of these things you could put in an Excel spreadsheet, weight it, and then kind of move it all to the end. There's just so many inputs and so many different. You're looking at like different layers to your asset management plan. I was just curious what other layers you guys kind of have been that AI could potentially break through into.
So I know there's plenty of them we haven't even thought about yet. I'd agree with that. The risk piece, especially the likelihood of failure, that condition aspect, that's probably the biggest application. Mainly because where the AI really shines is these situations where we have quote unquote big data, although our data is not usually as big as the internet or something, but it's big to us, right? It's a lot of information to try to ingest. So it really shines for those cases of lots of inputs, lots of information. But the other area is systems or assets that are challenging to inspect, costly to inspect. For whatever reason, it's not a simple thing to just go and take a look. Because if you can go take a look and get that information for roads, for example, PCI scores, well, it's not free, but it's right there. You just drive the road, you have the right sensor, you collect the information, and boom. You could try to predict that, I suppose. There's applications, but it might be more cost effective to just go collect the data and go on about your capital plan.